Hi, I'm Dave Bollinger. My company is Fibrenew Palmetto State. I'm a mobile service here in the upstate of South Carolina, and I specialize in upholstery cleaning, repair, and restoration. I'm also an expert in repairing, restoring, and redying leather, vinyl, and plastics. As you're capping using your leather furniture as a scratching post, don't you just hate it when that happens? Well, I can help you out. Give me a call and we can repair that damage and make it look nice again. My number is 864-316-9275. Call Dave at Fibrenew. Thanks.